It's January 21st, 2013. This is the Simon game, which I just figured out what was wrong with it. The conductors from the Deep Cell reservoir here were broken, so I did some temporary jumpers from the positive and the negative over to the circuit board, and once I did this, the game worked fine. So the connections were corroded on the bottom. If you look down here where the negative comes in, the pad is all worn and torn up. It's not making a good connection, so I'm just going to rewire from the negative right here over to this diode and on the cathode right there. I'm just going to wire directly to it somehow, and hopefully that'll take care of it. And there's the box for it by Simon. Game was made in 1979 when I was still in high school.